How to disable haptic feedback in MEXC. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Haptic feedback is a small vibration you feel when tapping buttons in the app. If it feels distracting or unnecessary on MEXC, then you can turn it off in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open the MEXC application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into your MEXC account. Once you're inside the home page logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You'll then come across this expanded menu where you'll need to click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the haptic feedback option at the bottom, tap on it, and you'll see different options such as Spot, Futures, Wallet, MEXC AI. Go ahead and switch off the button right next to the option you don't want haptic feedback. For example, if you don't want haptic feedback on Spot, just toggle off the switch right next to it. If you don't want haptic feedback in the app whatsoever, just turn off all of these options. Now once you do that, you will not be able to feel any vibration whenever you press buttons in the MEXC app. So that's how you easily turn off haptic feedback in MEXC. Now your MEXC experience should feel smoother and quieter without those extra taps vibrating your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.